What is Bitcoin mining and how is it done on the stock exchange market? What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining, in short, is the name given to the process of validating blockchain transactions and receiving, as a reward, new cryptocurrencies. To understand better, read the comparison below. For Maria, fictional character, who lives in Brazil, to transfer 5,000 Brazilian reals to the account of João, fictional character, who lives in England, this money needs to go through a third party, such as a bank, which acts as a guarantor of the transaction and charges a fee for the service. In the case of Bitcoin, part of this role is the function of miners. Therefore, if Maria, instead of sending fiat currency, decides to send 1 BTC to João, some miner on the network must record the transaction on the blockchain. And every time he performs this action, he earns an incentive in cryptocurrency. Currently, anyone who manages to validate a transaction pockets 6.25 Bitcoin. On October 22, the day BTC was traded at 343,000 Brazilian reals, the lucky person who validated a transaction took home 2.1 million Brazilian reals in cryptocurrency. Just reading the paragraph above, it seems very easy to mine Bitcoin, but it's not. This is because, in order to register and earn BTC, the miner needs to execute a proof of work algorithm, which in practice is a complex mathematical problem. This calculation is resolved, on average, in 10 minutes, which is the time it takes for a transaction to be confirmed on the BTC network. But the detail, which makes the task extremely difficult, is that there are thousands of miners trying to solve the equation at the same time. And as there are many competitors, it becomes more difficult to find the solution, and more computational power is needed. How to mine Bitcoin? Soon after the creation of Bitcoin, anyone could easily mine a cryptocurrency at home. Just connect a computer, with a reasonable video card, to the BTC network and keep it turned on to solve the mathematical problems. Currently, however, it is practically impossible to mine Bitcoin using a regular PC. This is because it is necessary to use specific equipment for the function, called Application-Specific Integrated Circuits, ASIC. But it's not enough to have just 1, 2 or 3 pieces of hardware. To solve the calculations and receive the rewards, it is necessary to have enormous computational power, and every day the requirement grows more. Today, there are mining farms with thousands of pieces of equipment dedicated exclusively to Bitcoin mining. Given the complexity of the task and the high investment in the business, these mining farms are usually organized into pools, sets of miners who work together to compete to validate transactions, increasing the chances of receiving a reward in BTC. When a pool manages to win the battle, the 6.25 BTC received is divided among the participants in proportion to the computing power delivered. Thank you, guys.